Come test drive the 2022 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.